estate planning mistake number 4. I have a living trust, so my family will avoid probate court. Well, it is true that a properly drafted and implemented living trust can help you and your family avoid probate court, both while you're living, if you're ever ill or disabled, avoiding a lengthy and expensive procedure known as a conservatorship, and after you're gone, avoiding a lengthy and expensive procedure known as a death probate. But that requires something be done and little details be accomplished beyond just setting up and signing your living trust. An important second step needs to occur, and that is the transfer of your assets, ownership or title, or in certain cases what is known as beneficiary to assets, into your living trust. Believe it or not, in a lot of places where you go to get a trust, they don't assist you to do that, which means that you've effectively lost the biggest benefit of the living trust, which is avoiding probate court. Here at Kavesh, Minor, and Otis, we pay attention to all those special details that make the difference between your plan working properly or not at all. For example, what we do is when you sign your living trust, we immediately transfer into your trust with a legal document known as a deed all of your pieces of real estate. And for your other non-real estate assets, we give you this owner's manual book, and inside it, we have special transfer letters for each and every type of asset you have that you sign, again, at the same time as you do your living trust, that begins the process of transferring those in to your trust. But we have to go beyond that. Why? Because it's not just about getting your initial assets into the trust, it's about making sure that your after-acquired assets get in the trust. And here is where a lot of living trusts fail. Why? You open a new CD account later. You buy a new mutual fund, a new piece of property, but you fail to get that asset properly titled into your trust. We help in several ways. First of all, we give you something unusual and unique to us called your Trust ID card. With this card, right on the back side, it has exactly how title should be held. So if you open a new bank account, you get a new deed, you make sure that from the outset, it's placed properly into your trust. Second, what we do is, again, in your owner's manual book, we give you a set of blank transfer letters to assist you to get those newly acquired assets in. And maybe even more important than all of these things, every 3 years at Kavesh, Minor, and Otis, you'll be contacted for a free attorney review, a free attorney consultation to make sure that your trust is up to date and that your assets are properly in your trust. That's the way you make sure that you and your family will avoid probate court. Experience and expertise do count.